everyone, welcome to my channel. So today's video is a Nykaa sale haul. So there was this Nykaa Pink Friday sale in November and I know I'm late, but I did not get time to film this video before. So I bought a lot of stuff. I had been adding a lot of products in my wish list since last year. I mostly buy only on Pink Friday sale. The whole year I usually don't buy anything. So I had a lot of stuff to buy. My total was a lot. But yeah, don't judge me because I did not buy anything for the rest of the year. So I also have a giveaway running on my channel, so please do participate. I'll link the video in the description box below. So without a further ado, let's get started. Most of these products are high-end, but there are some drugstore products as well. So let's start with the drugstore products first. So the first product I got is this Dr. Sheth's Neem and BHA Spot Clarifying Serum. This even has tea tree oil in it. So this I basically got for my blackheads. I have a lot of blackheads here, so I thought I'll just put some of it here and let it be as an overnight treatment. And even for my acne, like I get acne occasionally, not a lot. I don't have acne prone skin, but thoda sa I get. But what happened is last week I suddenly got a reaction on my face. I don't know, I got a lot of bumps suddenly, and my skin has never been like this. My whole skin was covered with bumps and I was so scared, and it was painful as well. I don't know, it was some kind of reaction, and it says to apply it on problematic areas. My whole skin was problematic, so I applied it on my entire face and I slept with it. In the morning it was much better, you guys. This worked like magic. And it was my marriage after 2 days. It was not like a wedding, so it wouldn't matter, but still I wanted to apply makeup, and I don't like applying makeup on problematic skin. I like my skin to be clear. Like, I don't mind some blemishes, but I don't like a bumpy texture. So I again applied it, and next day it got much better. So on my marriage day my skin was much better. Thode se bumps I had, but not major. So yeah, it worked like magic. I would highly recommend this, especially if you have acne prone skin. The next thing I got is this L'Oreal Paris clay mask. So again, this clay mask I got for my blackheads. I'm not going to put it all over my face because I don't need to. I have pretty dry skin, so this will work really well to clean out the pores. The next things are from Face Shop. I really wanted a face mist. All my face mists are over. You can use your regular toner in a spray bottle as well, but all my toners also over. I have only exfoliating ones. So I got the Face Shop Chia Seed Toner. I have used the Chia Seed Toner before, but it was in a different package. I think the formula is a bit different, but it smells the same, so I'm not sure. But this comes in a spray bottle, so really love this. I even use it for my makeup. It works really great. If you watch my videos, you would know how much I love face mists. The next thing I got from Face Shop is the Mango Seed Moisturizing Butter. Now my skin is becoming really dry because it's winter, and I did not have a very thick moisturizer. I have got one more moisturizer, but one is not enough. I need a backup, so I got this one, and this is so thick. I actually placed an order for this much later because all of this stuff I had ordered at my Goa address. I thought I'll live without a thick moisturizer for a week, but I could not wait, so I ordered it in Mumbai. I couldn't order all this stuff there, right, because I had to come back here anyway. And I got this what is it called? Rug. It's an anti-slip mat, so it does not slip at all. It's perfect for bathrooms actually. I got this free on the Face Shop purchase. Really love the color. It's so pretty. I have this wooden flooring, not wooden floor, and it's dark brown in color, and I put this one on top of this, so it looks really pretty. The contrast. The next thing I got is this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 20 Sand. I did not have a light shade of concealer. Like, I wanted to brighten this under eyes. That's why I got this one. And I also got this loose powder by K Beauty. This is in the shade Banana. Again, for the same reason, I wanted a brightening powder. I do have the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder in the shade Light, 15 Light. That's light for me, but it's kind of pinkish. I wanted something in the warm tone. So this shade is perfect. This is warm. Next, I got NYX Tinted Brow Mascara. I have fallen in love with this. This does exactly what I expected it to do. Like, I'm wearing it right now, and it's so easy to use, and it gives the perfect color, because usually I don't define my eyebrows. I just fill them in, and that takes a little bit of time because you have to be careful so that it doesn't go outside the line. This one is really easy to use because it has a small mascara wand kind of thing, and I just do this and I'm done. This has made my life so much easier. I've always wanted something like this. Even the Benefit one has. I was confused between the two, but even this one had good reviews, and Benefit one is very expensive and the rest of my stuff was already expensive. So I went for the next one, and this is in the shade Espresso. So the other shades were out of stock, I guess. This was the only shade available, but this matches me perfectly. I mean, it's slightly brownish, but I anyway don't want my eyebrow products to be very dark, so this one is perfect. Next I got 3 brushes. These are from PAC. These 2 I got for my eye makeup. This one is PAC 273 and this one is PAC 204. In all my videos, I think it's been 2 years, I've been using only 2 eye makeup brushes. They are from PAC. I have never found any brush which worked better than that, so I wanted to explore more, and I thought PAC wouldn't disappoint me because those brushes are from PAC only, and I haven't used them yet. I'm very particular about blending brushes, so for a blending brush to pass for me, it's very difficult. So I hope these work and don't disappoint me. I also got the PAC 245 and this is dome shape. I did not have anything dome shape like this for powder products. I wanted this for my under eyes. I usually use a beauty blender, but when I'm traveling I use only brush because I don't want to wet my beauty blender and everything. So this one is really easy. You just have to pack on some powder and do this. Actually this one I bought because there was this offer, right? If you buy above a certain amount, you get this liquid illuminator free. So for a free product, I bought one more brush. So this one is a liquid highlighter. I haven't used it yet. And the last product from the drugstore category are these panty liners. I use these on my 4th, 5th day. And also for menstrual cup, these are amazing. And these were on offer, buy 3 get 1 free. So I got 4 of these. One of these I gave to my mom, so I have 3 now. These are going to last me for a year. So I'm gonna buy them again for the next Pink Friday sale. So now let's start with the high-end products. And a lot of these are minis, you guys. Usually I'm not a minis person. If I have to buy something and there are 2 options, mini and the big size, I always go for the big size because it kind of saves you money in the long run, because the price per unit is much lesser if you go to compare. But what happened right now is, before I should not have much makeup, so that was fine. Now I have a lot of makeup and I'm not able to finish it. So grateful for it. So what happened is, when I was organizing my makeup, a lot of makeup got fungus. So I felt really bad, like a lot of makeup is expiring without me using them much. So it's really heartbreaking. That's why most of these are small sizes, and it doesn't make much difference, you know. Just for 200-300 rupees I'm wasting an entire bottle, right? So instead of that, I just bought small sizes. And there are no lipsticks in this haul. I did not buy lipstick because I honestly don't need any more lipsticks unless they're free. So let's start with Smashbox first. This is a Smashbox Primerizer. Now I've seen Malvika raving about this, so I really wanted to try this. I did use it for my wedding, I mean marriage. It was not a wedding. I need to use it more times to really see the difference, but it's quite hydrating. And it's so chotu, yeah, I expected it to be a little bigger, but and I placed this before because I wasn't ready, like completely ready with my wish list, and I really wanted to buy this one before the Smashbox samples get over. And I also used Malvika's code, so I got this one free along with these 3 products. Photo Finish Oil Control Primer. This one is the same, I guess. Smashbox Liquid Lipstick, really small, and the Vitamin Glow Primer. And now for my huge order, I again ordered more stuff from Smashbox. I got this primer water. This I got in a bigger size because I ran out of face mists like water, so I'm sure I'm gonna finish it. And since there were 2 orders, I got all of these samples again. So whenever you want to buy anything and you're getting samples free, and if your products are expensive, like if it matches that amount criteria, it's better to order it twice so that you get samples 2 times. The next thing is from Bobbi Brown. This is the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. Even this I got because of Malvika. She raves a lot about this and I found it okay. I used it only once on my marriage. It was quite hydrating. It wasn't heavy. It was very lightweight, absorbed really quickly. I need to use it more to really know how it works, and I got this sample also free on it. The next thing is Estee Lauder. I got this Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation in the shade Cashew. Even this I wore for my marriage. I've been eyeing on this foundation since more than a year, but I was just waiting for the Pink Friday sale. It's really chotu, yeah. It's too small for 1800, and I got these samples also free from Estee Lauder. Next, I got this highlighter from Becca in the shade Champagne Pop. I did not need a highlighter, but I wanted Champagne Pop pop really badly. I've been watching all these international YouTubers use this since years, and finally my dream come true. And there was this offer that you get free samples on a certain amount. This was an impulse buy. I hadn't even planned on buying this, but I bought it for free samples. This is the Becca Backlight Priming Filter. Now caution raves about this, so I did not even think twice before buying. I just added it in my cart. I haven't even opened it yet. Opening for the first time. This looks pretty small, but okay. High-end brand hai na, to theek hai. I got this one free on it. This is the highlighter, again in Champagne Pop, but it's smaller than that one. I also got the Becca Hydra Mist Setting Powder free. This is really small again. I heard a lot of good things about it. So the next brand is Too Faced. I got this combo pack of mascara and the liner. This is the Better Than Sex mascara and primer. I wanted this mascara, actually not the liner, because I don't use liners, so it doesn't make sense for me to buy a new one. I already have the Maybelline one. Also got the lip injection. This works, you guys. It gives you tingling sensation. And so coming back to the story, I mainly wanted to get the lip injection and the mascara, and they did have a combo. This is a mini size actually, so the combo of this one and mascara in mini size, but I did not want the mini size mascara of this because I have heard that the formula is slightly different for the mini and big one. I'm not sure if that's true, but I did not want to take a risk, and that's why I got the big size. There was no combo like this. There was a combo of the liner and mascara, and I got these two things free on it. This is the Hangover Primer and this lipstick and lip balm set. Wait, I'll open it for you guys. I haven't even opened it yet. Oh, pretty. This looks pretty. It smells so good. This is the lip balm and this is the lipstick. So next thing is Farsali. So there was this set by Ankita. She had curated this and the price was really less. So I got each of these for 975 rupees. Like if you divide it, there was this combo, and I honestly wanted the liquid glass and also the unicorn essence, but they both were paired separately. If they were together, I would have been more happy, but this is also fine. Haven't even opened it. Like, what's wrong with me? I did not get time only. You know what happened? I had ordered all of this to Goa. I was in Mumbai that time. Then I came to Goa, got married. Then I went for a mini honeymoon kind of. Yesterday I came back. This is pretty. It's small, but it's pretty. This one was paired with the Rose Gold Elixir. Now I wanted the Rose Gold Elixir when it launched, like long back. All these international YouTubers were using it. It was hyped a lot, but that time it wasn't available in India. Who am I kidding? That time I couldn't afford anything. Forget not being available in India. But after years, I kind of stopped wanting this. So it's kind of overhyped. That's what I've heard, because it just has face oil. But yeah, anyway, like, I at least fulfilled the dream of the little me. The next brand is Clinique. I got the Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. I have used this in the past. Full tub of it. I actually was going to get the Face Shop Cleansing Oil. I've used that too. I ran out of it. Even that was really great, but that was out of stock. I had no option than buying this because I didn't want to experiment with other balms or cleansing oils. I knew this one works really well, so that's why I got this. I also got the Clinique Moisturizer. This is the moisturizing lotion, and paired it with the orange thing. It's for fatigue. And I got this pouch free on it, and this pouch has 4 things. This cleanser. This is a liquid soap. It works really great. I used only this for my mini honeymoon as a cleanser. Worked really nice. It's perfect for dry skin. It was not stripping at all. And it also has the Moisture Surge mini chotu size, and the Moisture Surge eye concentrate, like for your under eyes, and it also has this chotu mascara. Next product is a wet brush. This is by Tangle Teaser. My old brush is quite old, so I wanted a new wet brush. I wanted a good quality one because good quality brushes last longer. So this Tangle Teaser one is really good. Heard such great things about this. And if you're brushing your hair while they are wet, it's really important for you to use a wet brush because the bristles are really bendy, so they are not gonna pull on your hair a lot. If you use your regular brush in the shower, it's gonna cause more hair breakage. So it's really important to use a brush which is meant for wet brushing. Not necessarily the Tangle Teaser one. You can use any brand, but use a wet brush. And I got these 3 things free on it. This is this wire thing. Only 1 thing is left now. I mean 4 things, but they are from the same brand. These are scented candles, and there was an offer buy 2 get 2 free on it. Can you guess which brand is it from? If you guessed it right, then you're really smart. Yes, it's Bath and Body Works. So I got 4 scented candles. I've never used scented candles before. I had planned on getting them for this new room, and a lot of candles which I had put in my wish list got out of stock in minutes after the sale got on. So the first candle is the Eucalyptus Mint. Heard good things about it, and I'm not a smell person. Like, I cannot explain the smell, but I'll tell you in my language. This kind of smells like men's body shower. There's this Nivea body shower gel which Saish uses, kind of smells similar to that. I've heard that when you light it, it might smell different, and it smells really calm. So if you're meditating or something, this is perfect. The next one is the White Gardenia. I really wanted a floral smell, and this smells perfect, like exactly how I want it to be. I have lit it and it smells really good. It smells like flowers, like mostly jasmine. I love jasmine smell. If you love jasmine kind of fragrance, or you know, garden fragrance, this one is perfect and smells really natural as well. But the smell is really less. I'm not sure if that's how scented candles are because I've never used them. So it was really very mild, like only if you go close to it you could smell it properly. So yeah, I'm not sure if that's how scented candles are. Maybe. The next candle is the Strawberry Pound Cake. I got it because of the name and it sounded yummy. Have you eaten this Alpenliebe strawberry flavor? Smells exactly like that. And yeah, if you're a candy person, this is perfect. I'm not a candy person, but I still got it. I don't know why. The next candle is Pumpkin Apple. This has this masala smell, like cinnamon smell. Really love the color of this. I was planning on getting some other candles only, but they were out of stock. So yeah, that was it for this haul. Those were all the products. I hope you enjoyed it. It was quite a huge haul. At least for me, I've never bought so much stuff. I thought my last year's Pink Friday sale haul was the biggest, but this one is bigger than that. I've never spent so much money in one order till now. So yeah, this was my biggest one. Let's see next year what my total will be. Thank you so much for watching, and I know I'm gonna get questions for my earrings. So these are from AliExpress. I got them before the app was banned. You get this anywhere actually. Most of the sites have it. Even H&M will have it. A lot of shops have this. Really pretty pearl hoops. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every Saturday and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!